Let's go to this 3G, 4G, 5G. So all this networking, actually previously there is no way of sending the data through this cellular network, but now we have the facility to send the data along with so the thing is that previously there is a voice communication that is happening. Okay, so we use GPS or what is it, GPRS, global what is it, we have
Later only VoIP was
Huh?
internet. Now we can send data.
no, previously
Before VoIP.
previously which technology we use? Okay, there is a CDMA and GSM. So GSMA is, what is GSM? Anyone?
Subscriber module.
Huh?
Subscriber module.
Okay.
Global subscriber module.
Okay, global subscriber module. So GSM we used, and we used CDMA, that is code division multiplexing. Okay, so by that we send the signal up to the base station. Base station will send the signal to their another base station maybe, and that base station which is connected with the traditional what is called telephone exchange system. Okay, means actual wires. Over there it is connected with the telephonic network. But now we have the facility to send these data or these voice data through actual data packets with the help of LTE technology. That is, what is LTE? Latest something? Don't know? LTE सभी के पास है ना? 4G, all of you using 4G? No. LTE is there. What is the full form of LTE? Long term evolution. So LTE is long term evolution technology that has been given when the 3G, 4G and now 5G is coming into the picture. So we are sending the data packets actually, and we are using those facility of networking. So if we are using the data packet to send our voice or our text or whatever we are doing with the help of this data, so definitely we can use those things, or we can use those communication media in IoT also, because in IoT also we have to send the data, small data packets. So small data packets we have to send, so we can use any of the cellular technology to send the data. Okay, as well as we have some other type of technology that is also called low power wide area network, and some technology like LoRa and Sigfox or 6LoWPAN, what we have seen, is used to do that. So those are working on cellular network. Those are working on cellular network and comes under cellular IoT. So the communication will be done by these technologies. Okay, so this is it about all the different technology which are involved in IoT. Okay, so maybe in the next class we'll finish our theory part of IoT, and then we'll work on hands-on. Okay, close it. So another announcement is that